Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Tamara's Bargains, and today this video is a little bit different. It's my first Vlogmas, and I am doing a hack with the $1 Dollar Tree shells that I picked up. I have two of them, as you can see right here, and they are floating shells. They're 13 by 3.75 inches, and this is what they look like. So this is one of them, and this is how I decorate it. If you could recognize this background, this is a background I filmed. So let me go ahead and open these bad babies up. I hope everybody is having a wonderful weekend. So these are the materials you're going to need: some scissors, a ruler, of course the two shells. These scissors did come from Dollar Tree, and some tape. And you're probably like, tape? Well, I'll explain that and you'll see why you need it. So as I'm unwrapping this part, if you want, you could fast forward. It's just me unwrapping the shells. And you could always paint these shells, but in this case, I'm not going to paint them. And these shells are actually really good. It comes with everything you do need. So you got the string and you got the little hooks with it. And it kind of got that boho look to it. Very cute. So it comes with one string, but in this case, I'm going to need them both. And these two hooks. And I'm going to start off by measuring each of these little string ropes, just so I kind of have an idea of how far I want to cut them. After measuring each rope, they're about 4 feet by 9 inches each. So now I have an idea of how long I need each rope for. And this is where the tape comes in. So with the ropes, I put tape at each of the ends because it made it a lot easier to basically put the rope through the holes, because the holes on these shells are very, very tiny, and then also they have little like wood pieces in between. So it made it kind of hard, but the easiest way was to put a little bit of tape at the end, and you were able to go ahead and pull it through a lot easier. Then at the end of the video, you could cut them, or at the end of your DIY. So I did it to each end. And I tied it at the very end. So you get the idea. I did it for all 4 of the corners. And this is what it would look like if you just wanted to go ahead and use one of the shells. But in this case, I need them both. So I'm doing it again at the end of the other side of the rope. Like I said, it just made it very easy. If you had other ideas, please let me know and include it in the comments below. So this was, I was just stringing them through just to see about how tall I wanted the next shelf to be. So I'm looking at the height. I wanted about like that length. So I went back and pulled it back up and went ahead and did another knot on all 4 of the corners. Now each knot made it very sturdy to hang the other shelf onto it. So also this is where the ruler came into play. So I used a ruler to make sure that each of the knot was exactly the same height. It was actually way easier to lay the ruler down and to tie the knot this way. And who actually also did a very, very cute floating shelf display was Triple G with her gnomes, and it came out so cute. So check her channel out where you could see her gnomes, and it would be in her community post. So cute. Who also inspired me to do this and put this up in my bathroom is Bargain Mama. And she also has a very good YouTube channel, so check her out as well. Thank you, ladies, for giving me the inspiration to do this DIY for you all. Now again, at each of the corners, I am doing the same thing, making sure that they all are at the same length and height. This was actually a very fun DIY. I hope that if you guys have other ideas, please share it with me, and I will be sure to check out your channel or your community post to see how you did. And this is what it's about to look like, the finishing touches. Now, I basically displayed this into my bathroom, which you're going to see at the very end how the outcome came. Also, another great idea that I thought would be so cute to do this as a floating manger. So here I'm just hooking the 2 hooks, the circle hooks together so that I could hang my shelf up. It was a little hard to take them loose and put them together, but I finally got it. There we go. And then I tied them as well. So I tied one in, and also here I am cutting those tape pieces off. Again, the shelf gives it reminds me of that boho chic look, which I really love. I think it's so cute. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon button to let you know when I will notify you when I upload my videos. I hope you all have a blessed and happy holiday, and I will see you in my next video. Again, don't forget to check out the very end to see how it looks. And here are the finishing touches. And this is what my bathroom is looking like. Pretty much everything came from the Dollar Tree except for the towels. The towels did come from Walmart. It's a beautiful Marlowe set with